Good afternoon, this is Emma. Today's video is a tropical getaway. The host, Marlene's How To, Deborah Kabeska, Home Living, Penny's Lifestyle Living, Tamika Rosero, and Johnson Home Decor. All the ladies' information will be left in my description box. So come along with me on my tropical getaway. I want to thank the design family for coming on and watching the video. And if you are not a member of the design family, hit that subscribe button and come along and join us. I have placed my getaway under my pergola. All the pillow covers are from Amazon. My drapes are from Amazon. This tree here and that tree over there were for Goodwill. The cattail is from the home store. This flower here is from Ross's. My tablecloth is from the Dollar Tree. My plates are also from the Dollar Tree. And the glasses are from the Dollar Tree. My bar cord is from Home Goods. The bucket is from the Dollar Tree. The pineapple is from the Dollar Tree. The two plants on the side are from Burlington's. I want to thank all the ladies for the open invitation. to this tropical getaway. If you would, hit like and subscribe, and I will be seeing you in my next video.